We're going to be demonstrating how to install the SPB Charging Hub assembly onto the charging shaft on the mechanism. Here are the components being installed. There's where they're going to be installed onto, and I'll let the technician show you from here.
Okay, so first off we put the washer.
So the washer goes in there, lines up with the groove. The spring end is going to go in the hole in that washer. There you go.
Make sure the spring sits flush, goes around the edge of the groove in here. Take this part
Into the notch.
And then we put this end of the spring into the other hole that's inside here.
So that's going to go into that hole right there.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Once you set it up, turn towards you, push in, and then we grab the other end. We twist this with the opposite direction, so counterclockwise. Keep twisting, do a few turns. Okay, once it's in there, grab a rubber mallet. And then reinstall the snap ring. And there we go.
Beautiful.